Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya. As the new year has rolled in, so has our new conveyor. The Crossbelt Overband magnet conveyor is our latest addition to our Coveya hire fleet, an excellent solution within the recycling and waste management industry. Suitable for use over belt widths of up to 1200mm, this conveyor is designed to lift and automatically remove ferrous metals from conveyed materials. Material can be conveyed underneath the Overband magnet, which attracts, lifts and removes disruptive tramp ferrous metal. It produces in excess of 400 Gauss at suggested operating gap of 250mm. The basic design features a permanent or electromagnetic unit mounted in a frame with 2 pulleys and a self-cleaning rubber belt. The benefit of a self-cleaning belt ensures a seamless flow of material, preventing any blockages and an excess of material on the belt. Different types of magnets can be specified, and the size of the magnet is dictated by the conveyor width and depth of material on the conveyor. The magnet is mounted either across the conveyor belt, known as the crossbelt, or in line with the conveyor belt over the head of the pulley, known as the incline. This conveyor is available for hire and purchase with fast lead times. Please feel free to contact us to find out more and to speak to one of the conveyor experts. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.